these conspiracy theorists, they think that the government is behind the bombings of the Twin Towers, and the CIA did all this, and George Bush did all this, and this is just crazy. I don't see why the Klan would even associate themselves with an idiot that would think like that. Don't let yourself become fooled by these stupid, idiotic people who are making these theorists, these illogical, these people that do this, making these illogical claims like the government is behind the Twin Tower bombings and all this. These people are fools who are going to create anarchists. Stupid, foolish, violent anarchists, and we're going to end up like Greece. Your CIA are a bunch of corrupt bastards that are doing wrong to Muslims. This is true. And they have murdered a lot of people behind the scenes. But George Bush did not conspire with the CIA to have the Twin Towers blown up. That's stupid. That's ridiculous. And you believe in that. You're dumb enough to believe about this great big conspiracy among the Jews and the rich who's sitting back here manipulating the wars of the world and this International Monetary Fund. And you're worried about the United Nations, and you're worried about the International World Court, and you're worried about all the nations losing their sovereignty and coming together under some new world order. These things cannot happen because God did not create this nation, this world, to be a National Socialist plan. He created divisions racially, nationally, politically, economically, linguistically. All these divisions were by God's plan, that we would go our separate ways, we would rise in power in our supremacies, and we would strive to be better and get along with our neighbors. No matter if you're great big China or you're little Israel over there. It does not matter. You're in this great big world, and these corrupt people that sit behind the scenes, and these people that are worried about these conspiracy theories, these fools, these idiots, have got your attention. And if you're going to believe those kind of fools, then you're liable to go off here and just go completely blitzkrieg and just start killing people and everything else. You will become anti-government. You'll become an anarchist. You'll be like some of these stupid Aryan Nazis out here, up in Idaho someplace, barricading yourself in there because you're living in some paranoid frame of mind. You're misinformed. Because you don't get rid of the United Nations. You redo it. You change it and make it work. You don't get rid of the bankers. You hold the bastards accountable in your own nation. You don't worry about some stinking banker over here in Switzerland that's got all the multi-billions of dollars, because he can't do anything within the United States without these American bankers being held accountable. And trust me, today a banker can't piss without someone spying on him. So there's no conspiracies going on with the rich. This anti-rich philosophy, I'm against a lot of corruption in high places, but this is generalized anti-rich thinking, and this anti-government thinking is what you're seeing. The Klan is mixed up with this. You've got these people out here today that are working up these white guys into a furor, a paranoid furor, and they're misinformed, and they're being misguided, and then they're acting out in desperate violence, and it's all because they simply can't seem to understand God's divine plan for the world.